In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood. To do this, what you want to do is first in Phantom Wallet, make sure you have your money in a cryptocurrency that Robinhood accepts. So the easiest one in my opinion is just Solana, which is also the main currency in Phantom Wallet. So I would recommend just converting everything to Solana, but you can also use Bitcoin, for example, or one of the other supported currencies. Now in this video, I'll show you how to do it with Solana. So now that you know which currency you want to transfer over to Robinhood, go to Robinhood and go to the crypto tab. From there, search for that same cryptocurrency, which in this case is Solana, and then select it. From there, scroll down a bit, and then you can either click send or receive. What you want to do is click receive. Now they won't let me screen record that, but basically from there you can then click copy address in the bottom, and after copying your address, simply go back to Phantom Wallet. Then on Phantom Wallet in the home screen, click send. Select the cryptocurrency you want to send, so for me Solana, and then paste in the wallet address that you copied on Robinhood, and from there choose how much you want to send, for example 0.01 Solana, and then you have the fee and all of that here. Now just click on send, and now it is sending right to my Robinhood balance. So now if this finishes, and I now open up Robinhood, you will see that in my history here, I now have plus 0.01 Solana. Now I still need to verify some things in my account. If you've already done that, then it will be instantly deposited and added to your balance. But that is how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.